Draping of Rhaenyra's gown has officially started. Take a look. So here is my muslin, actually it's not muslin, it's actually bed sheets, my mock-up that I just started for Rhaenyra. So we have from what I think is the spot where that hard line is right across here. They are princess seams. I realize that there is a godet split in the middle. That'll be worked out later in patterning. But right now I'm just fitting some fabric on the mannequin with my new petticoat to see how this is going to go. And I'm only going to be draping half of the mannequin and of course mirroring it on the other side. Save fabric. I don't need to do both sides. And then I will be moving to shoring up the pattern, and then we will be making or cutting the fabric and making the dress. There's a lot of steps. And if you're not familiar with how to drape a gown or anything on a dress form, I hope this video kind of shows you the process on how we do it. But this is definitely a skill that I learned over many, many years. It's not something that came really quickly to me when I first started making stuff in sewing, but it does work out. So come with me on the journey to drape the gown. I believe this video will just be the mock-up session.
There was me designing this enormous set, which was going to take months and months to work, and we had a schedule. Stepstones is the stronghold of the crab feeder, and we filmed that down in Cornwall. And this is a tidal beach.
And I had this really lovely round piece of marble which had a hole in the middle.
So here we are with the draping right now. I feel pretty confident that the dress part is draped. I've got my seam lines worked up. I've got the height where I want the top of the bodice and the front top of the bodice. I've got the areas in here ready to now drape the sleeve, see what it looks like. And then I can say that the main part of the dress has been draped. I'm not going to drape the center little godet part because that is just going to be easily placed in when I'm ready to do the fabric and stuff. But yeah, looking good.
Wants anything. Oliver, take it. She's been an absolute angel.
It doesn't look like much, but here are the pieces, the main 4 pieces of the gown minus the sleeve on my cutting table, ready to be shored up and moved to paper so then I can move to fabric. Here are her 5 main pattern pieces. Now it's time to cut the fabric.